In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use call tracking widgets in dashboards in GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add call tracking widgets to your dashboard so you can see the most important phone metrics at a glance. Call tracking widgets help you monitor things like total calls, answered versus missed calls, and trends over time, making it easier to spot what's working and where you might be losing opportunities. Start on your GoHighLevel home screen and open your dashboard. If you manage multiple locations or sub-accounts, make sure you're viewing the correct one before you begin, so the data you'll see in the widgets is relevant to the right place. Next, switch your dashboard into edit mode by selecting Edit Dashboard. This unlocks the layout so you can add new widgets and arrange them the way you like. If you don't see the edit option, check that you have permission to modify the dashboard in this account. With edit mode on, look for the widget categories and choose calls. This section groups all the call-related widgets together, making it simple to find what you need. You'll see options designed to surface different call insights, from high-level overviews to more detailed breakdowns. Now select the type of call tracking you prefer. Think about what answers you want at a glance. If you need a quick pulse, a summary widget that shows total calls and answered versus missed is great. If you're optimizing performance over time, a trend or timeline widget helps you visualize spikes and dips by day or week. If you care about quality and efficiency, consider a widget that highlights average call duration or connects call outcomes to your pipelines. As you choose, align the widget with your reporting goals and make sure it reflects the date ranges and filters you typically use. If the widget allows configuration, keep labels clear and concise so anyone on your team can understand the data quickly. Once you're happy with your selection and placement, click Save. This publishes your changes to the dashboard. If Save isn't available, double-check that the widget has been placed on the canvas. After saving, give the dashboard a moment to load. Call data may take a few seconds to populate depending on your filters and the time frame you're viewing. That's it. You've added call tracking to your GoHighLevel dashboard. Review the widget over the next few days and adjust the type or layout if you need clearer insights. Keeping these metrics front and center helps your team respond faster, reduce missed calls, and ultimately convert more conversations into customers.